Welcome to the second episode of Nature Watch with me, Studders McGee, and Tony. Today, Tony is going to be trying to attract the Bulgarian bighorned weasel snatcher at mating season. So Tony, what does this bird look like?
Awesome. It's got wings, feathers, a beak and talons, basically.
Oh, okay, and where was it found?
I'm not really too sure, but it gives a hint in its name, of Bulgaria. But I named it.
Oh, okay. And what stuff does it, what stuff does it like to eat to stay alive?
Well, weevils. Stuff is it. Hence its name, Weasel Snatcher.
Sorry.
It's okay. But when I'm on this expedition, I need two very trusted tools. My spyglass and my sonar. There are these two very important tools. I will not be able to make it to Bulgaria to find the Bulgarian bighorn weasel snatcher. Now, I will try, hopefully, to attract it, because it's mating season. Now, we've got one in the distance. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! No! No! I thought it was coming for a moment then. But, once again, disappointing my viewers and myself. I hand this down to you, Studders, my trusty spyglass.
I'm sorry, I just can't do this.
Sorry,